sequence. 3 is kind of the number here. And we're going to work from a down dog position, so that'll be your starting position, up to a 3-legged dog and into a runner's lunge. You're going to want to move with control through those and give it a moment both in the 3-legged dog and into the runner's lunge to feel the stretch before you move on. So everybody's going to be a little different at that. So set up, down dog. Pick up to 3-legged dog. Into your runner's lunge, outside of the hands. Take it back to your 3-legged dog. Right here, if you can, if your balance will allow, you're just going to lift your chest up. Take it back down. Step back into plank. And then just lower down to floor. Hold here. Hold this last one as long as you can. And kick it back and recover in your down dog again. The number's 3, so try 3 rounds. Recovering in that down dog for a moment, take a few slow deep breaths, then do it again.